Good afternoon. I'm Bob Shutt, the Mayor of the City of Savannah, and we're coming to you this afternoon to give you an update on the guidelines issued this morning by the Governor of the state of Tennessee. We want everyone to be aware of what's going on and know the rules and the recommendations and the guidelines that the Governor's office has issued for each city and county in the state. I would like to start for the past month and a half, starting with Governor Lee's Executive Order number 14, dated March the 12th. The City of Savannah government has implemented the requirements of this and subsequent orders as related to the COVID-19 pandemic. Governor Lee announced on Monday that his stay-at-home executive order will expire on Friday, April the 30th, with no further extensions planned. This morning, April the 24th, Governor Lee presented at his daily briefing the proposal for reopening the economy in Tennessee. The Tennessee Pledge is a plan to help Tennesseans return to work in a safe environment, restore their livelihoods, and reboot our state's economy. This 12-page document and associated press release can be found on the website at cityofsavannah.org. We apologize for the inconvenience and ask that the public please be patient and understanding in our efforts to address present-day situations. Please be diligent in your efforts to be safe and continue to follow social distancing and CDC guidelines. Based on this initial document and proposed phased-in strategy for reopening the Tennessee businesses, the following was proposed today. For restaurants, they may open Monday, April the 27th at 50% capacity, including the following measures: employee protection, consumer protection, and business protection adaptations. Retail stores, they may open Wednesday, April the 29th at 50% capacity, including the following measures: employee protection, consumer protection, and business process adaptations. In regards to other businesses and/or organizations, the following was stated in reference to proposed reopening schedules for these facilities. Further guidance is expected next week regarding churches, gyms, and medical procedures. Close contact services, including salons, barbershops, and so forth, will not reopen until phase 2. At this time, the above information is all that is available in regard to reopening of our local businesses and organizations. In addition, the Governor's stay-at-home executive order number 27 remains in effect until 11:59 p.m. April the 30th, 2020, at which time it is scheduled to expire. We will continue to update you as new informations, dates, and so forth become available. Please follow our City of Savannah Facebook page and/or website for future updates. Now I'm going to give you some information about the city facilities, City of Savannah facilities, so that you will know what to do as far as City Hall is concerned. City Hall will continue to remain closed to public access during the week of April the 27th. All departments continue to conduct businesses during normal work hours, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We encourage all residents to call the desired department for business transactions by way of phone. On Monday, May the 4th, 2020, City Hall will resume public access to the building. We encourage all residents to first call the Savannah City Department desired to see if business can be handled with a phone call versus an in-person contact. If you must come to City Hall, please use the front door. All other doors will be locked. There will be a hand sanitizing station located near the front doors, and you will be asked prior to conducting business in City Hall to use them. The utility department, alternate options for paying your bill. We have an online service that is listed at cityofsavannah.org. You may pay your bill by way of the utility drive-through and drop box available at City Hall. And if you need any forms, we will be happy to email, fax, and or mail them to you. Please call 731-925-4216 to request them. The fire department. If you need a copy of any reports, need a burn permit, need smoke detectors, or have non-emergency questions, please call 731-925-8257. As always, if you have an emergency, please call 911. Savannah Building and Codes, if you need a permit or have questions, please call 731-925-8007. Savannah Public Works Department, please call 731-925-5061. The Savannah Police Department will remain closed to public access until further notice. If you need a copy of any reports or have any non-emergency questions, please call 731-925-3200. For non-emergencies that require you to speak with an officer, please call 731-925-4989. As always, if you have an emergency, please call 911. Savannah Parks and Recreation Department. Wayne Gerald's River Park will be open to the public on Monday, April the 27th, during daylight hours for passive recreation, such as walking, biking, and so forth. This also includes the boat ramp and dock. Social distancing and CDC guidelines must be followed. Public restrooms and pavilions will remain closed. Savannah City Park will be open to the public on Monday, April the 27th, during daylight hours for passive recreation, walking, biking, and so forth. Restrooms, playgrounds, pavilions, tennis court, skate park, and ball fields will remain closed. Disc golf will be allowed subject to social distancing and CDC guidelines. Harbert and Hank DeBerry four-field ball fields will remain closed. A decision will be made by May the 4th regarding the status of Savannah Parks and Recreation, spring and summer sports programs, and teams and players will be notified accordingly. Savannah Theater, Savannah Market, and Tennessee Street Park facilities will remain closed until further notice. Savannah Veterans Park will reopen on Monday, April the 27th. Social distancing and CDC guidelines must be followed. I hope this is a help to each one of you, and I do recommend that you continue your social distancing because I think it works. It's worked here. We have done very well so far, and with reopening our businesses up, we want to make sure that we keep the numbers as low as possible. If you have any questions, feel free to call any of these departments at City Hall, and they will be glad to help you. Thank you.